So we're just wrapping up our 2025 All Members Conference of the OI4. It was again an awesome event. I say so much energy and so much progress on the topics that we're working on. It was simply amazing.
Today's topic was the asset administration show, AI and robotics.
So for me, it's been the first time and my expectations have been totally met. Really cool to meet so many people facing the same problems like we do.
Excellent event to meet the important person of the industry. It's a possibility to get information of different standardization organizations such as Margo, FactoryX, etc.
And the inspiring workshops where the members create new ideas for cooperating to pushing the industry going forward.
That was an amazing event. I always come home very inspired because I see so many motivated people which really try to change the world.
Taking their fate into their own hand and building ideas to realize the Industry 4.0.
Because in Germany we need to get ahead of our time again. We need to change the way we produce, the way we handle data. And this is a big topic with OI4.
I think we all agree on the needs for interoperability and openness and future readiness of our solutions. We have a good technological foundation and now we really need to get the ball rolling to really implement stuff. Let's continue the good work and let's bring results.